Welcome, everyone. If you're an absolute beginner dipping your toes into the world of AI creativity, you're in the right place. I'm Jay Haynes with the Hit Film Sensei YouTube channel, and today we'll explore Grok AI's powerful image and video generation tools. No prior experience needed. Let's jump in. First off, what makes Grok special? The short answer is that it uses advanced models like Flux to create images and videos that turn your ideas into stunning visuals. Think of it as your personal digital artist. Describe what you want and watch the magic happen. Let's start by going to grok.com and creating a login profile. It's completely free. Before you begin, click on your profile icon and select Settings. Then, under Behavior, tick off Enable Automatic Video Generation. This will make your life a lot easier. It's set to be on by default, and that causes Grok to immediately start creating videos when you don't really want it to. Okay, with that done, let's start with image generation. It's straightforward and beginner-friendly. To create an image, start by selecting Imagine. Notice all of the examples that other people have created. On the bottom, take a look at this pop-up. Set it to Image and set your desired aspect ratio. Now type in something like, Grok, generate an image of a serene mountain lake at sunset with a lone fisherman. Hit Send, and in seconds, Grok processes your prompt and delivers a high-quality image. Here are some key tips to get great results. Be descriptive. Include details like style. For example, in the style of Van Gogh. Also, you can include descriptors such as colors, mood, or composition. For example, I might type in a cyberpunk cityscape at night, neon lights reflecting on rainy streets, ultra detailed. Try to avoid vague prompts like, make a nice picture of. With AI image generation, specificity is your friend. Grok can handle complex ideas, from realistic photos to abstract art or even memes, and you can iterate too. If the first image isn't perfect, you can tweak it. For example, make the sky more purple or add a dragon in the background. It's like collaborating with a colleague. Now, let's talk about video generation. Similar to images, you start with a prompt. Create a short video of a rocket launching into space with dramatic music and slow motion effects. Grok will generate a clip complete with motion, transitions, and sometimes even audio. For beginners, I suggest you keep videos simple at first. For example, a time-lapse of a flower blooming in a garden from dawn to dusk. Peaceful vibe. You can specify styles like animated cartoon or cinematic live action. Now let's create a video from an image. Start by selecting this attach icon. You can upload your own image or even draw a sketch. I'll upload an image. Now I can select whether I want to create a new image or video. I'll select video and type in my prompt. A few seconds later, here's the video. Here's a pro tip. Break complex ideas down into shorter segments. Grok is really good at creating concise clips that you can stitch together later in your editing software. Try to avoid overly long or ambiguous prompts that can lead to wonky results. As a beginner, you should start by playing around without any pressure. Just have fun. For more help on prompt engineering, use Google. Type in the prompt idea that you have and then see what Google has to say. From there, you can copy the prompt, make adjustments to it, and then paste it into Grok. In summary, whether you're making images for your blog or videos for TikTok, Grok AI is pretty empowering. Do me a favor and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments what you've created using Grok AI. Until next time, thanks for watching.